In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Bluebeam quick steps. Let's keep this simple and clear. Signing in ensures Bluebeam Revu connects to your account so you can access your settings, projects, and any entitlements your organization has set up. If you're following along, feel free to pause after each section. First, open Bluebeam Revu. Launch it the same way you open your other applications, using your desktop shortcut, your applications list, or your taskbar or dock if you've pinned it. Give the app a moment to load so the home or welcome screen fully appears. If multiple versions of Revu are installed, make sure you're opening the one your team actually uses. Next, sign in. On the welcome screen, you should see an option to sign in. Depending on your layout and version, you may also find a sign-in option near the top right of the window, often behind an account or profile icon, or in the application menu under Review or Help. The wording is typically straightforward. Look for Sign In. Click that to open the login panel. Now, enter your email and password. Type the email address associated with your Bluebeam account exactly as it was registered. Take a second to check for typos, extra spaces, missing dots, or swapped letters are common. For the password field, remember it's case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is correct. If there's an eye icon to show or hide the password, use it to confirm what you typed. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering them where someone can see your screen. Finally, click Sign In. You'll usually see a brief loading indicator. Once it completes, you should be signed in and ready to work. A quick way to confirm is to look for your initials, your account avatar, or a profile name in the top corner of the app. Your toolsets, preferences, and access to projects should be available as usual. If something doesn't work on the first try, take a breath and recheck the email, spelling, and password accuracy, then try again. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're using the account your organization set up for Bluebeam. Those simple checks resolve most sign-in issues. That's it. Open Bluebeam Revu, select Sign In, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. Thanks for watching and enjoy your session in Revu.